I'll make my final stand. Yeah, and that's why they call me bad company. I can't deny. Bad company till the day I die. Until the day I die.
Dude, it's a fucking Chevy. Holy shit, it's like literally they're looking at it. They're all like lined up for a concert or some shit. This is like fucking Woodstock. And there's more flying in. Holy shit. They're like, I've come from Germany, tree. I have come from North Korea, tree. Hold on, I gotta
come from Germany. I've come from North Korea. I come from Russia.
I come from United States, tree.
I don't think United States sounds quite like that.
I don't give a damn. Now anymore it sounds like, I came from San Francisco. Dude, like, I've never seen anything like this.
This is fucking ridiculous. What the fuck is going on?
They're like, literally, look, like, this side is turned this way to look at the back of the Chevy. That side is turned that way to look at the back of the Chevy.
Bitch, they're literally observing the fucking shit. Oh my god.
This car is important to them.
It's their god.
We have finally found the white piece of shit. Let's congregate around the white piece of shit. It's a fine automobile.
I was about to say, if that's a piece of shit, then my truck's a piece of shit, you fucking bitch.
Oh, you know, I mean, they could have went without the pink steering a little.
Really?
Back to the birds.
I don't understand.
There's a car coming in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yay!
And what's stupid is we just passed by here.
Not only that, but like we're pulled up right next to them. They can hear us. They have time to scurry off anywhere. Holy shit, this is awesome. God, another Chevy ruined our congregation.
Let us all congregate to the World Tree. Did you hear that echo?
Shit, that echo though. Some weird fucking shit, dude. I got content though. Thank you, birds, for giving me fucking content. This is too X-rated. I don't think we're supposed to be watching this. But I can't take my eyes off. Wait, are them semis fucking? Them semis are fucking.
What the fuck is going on?
Dude, he fucked so hard the damn wheel came off.
I know.
That damn wheel came off. Oh, look, they're the same truck, so that means these are two dudes. Or two women. Dudes. They're dudes. This is some anal pounding. That's what this is.
Ooh, yeah.
You can tell by the two elongated backs.
Exactly.
That those are penises.
Yeah.
What in the fuck?
Nigga, I'm gay.
Shit. Fucking 3 it up, man. What the fuck? Do it. Do it for the YouTube. Do it for the YouTube. Hey guys, would you like to join? If I could just get up on it. Can I videotape? Here, it's recording. Fucking.
It's fine.
Okay, we're gonna get fucked up. Why did he pull that close to these goddamn trucks?
Dude.
Let's go.